I'm Joe Bob Briggs, and I'm here to bless the mutant union of Chris, better known as Thunderkiss Spears, and Abbey, better known as Abbey the Unpronounceable, who is suspected of marrying Chris for the sole reason of shortening her surname. I'm supremely disappointed, though, that you two didn't launch a GoFundMe or something to raise the money needed to win that last drive-in Vegas wedding that we offered, but I'm highly impressed that you replaced me with a Freddy Krueger impersonator, especially since Chris humiliated himself by proposing matrimony at the Skyline Drive-In during a kill scene in Nightmare on Elm Street 3 Dream Warriors. And reportedly the way that went down is Chris said, will you marry me? And Abbey said, can I answer that after Freddy gets finished stabbing Taryn with the heroin needle glove? So what do we know about this marriage so far? We know that they're both obsessed with Goat, a 6-year-old Brussels Griffin. In other words, they think a toy dog from Belgium is the source of human joy. And because they share this delusion, they're blissfully unaware that Belgium's only legitimate horror film is Daughters of Darkness, the lesbian vampire movie about love that turns homicidal. And furthermore, Goat is addicted to Maniac Cop 2, and has a disturbing tendency to spout trivia about the 121 film career of the aforementioned maniac cop, Robert Zadar, regarding him as a role model. But far from this sickness threatening the matrimonial prospects of our lovebirds, Abbey is equally addicted to Chris's weird belly button. Among the other ways they alienate themselves from polite society are a predilection for bad karaoke, a love for the Japanese pinky violence films that feature girls in tight shorts wielding cleavers, a tendency to watch way too much professional wrestling, a fascination with roller coasters that can kill you, and of course they can both recite the complete playlist of the ROCK-A-FREDDY Explosion, which was retired from Showbiz Pizza 31 years ago. They met at a Halloween party, wasted 12 years getting up the courage to have sex, and now pledge their troth, knowing that it's too late to do anything else. So I salute your decision, Abbey and Chris, and as you raise anchor for this journey across the Sargasso Sea of pop culture ephemera, I remind you, you are both drive-in mutants, and as drive-in mutants, you must party like jungle animals at least once a month, and once a year, Goat must dance like Robert Zadar in Zombiegeddon. So, and don't disappoint me. You've both been assigned a role in life, and that role involves surrealism. So accept your fate. Stream the complete works of John Waters while crunching Doritos. Put a giant picture of Robert Zadar on the ceiling over your bed. Embrace the mutant lifestyle. And please invite me to your 50th wedding anniversary. We will screen 2023 movies and talk about how primitive they are, right? So have a great future, guys.
Welcome everyone. I'm Rolf DeWolf, and I am just plumb tickled to be here to preside over this very special ceremony. Yes, we're here to celebrate the love between Chris and Abbey, two wonderful human beings who've decided to ask for my help to tie the knot.
And what a beautiful knot it is. Rolf, let's get these two married and get out of here. I want some of that wedding cake.
Let's get down to business. Abbey, do you take this man to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold, for richer and poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and cherish as long as you shall live?
I sure do.
And Chris, do you take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold, for richer and poorer, in sickness and health, to love and cherish as long as you shall live?
I do.
Well, isn't that just grand? Now, before we get started with all the kissing and the romance, I just feel compelled to ask, does anybody among us dare object to this blessed union? Speak now or forever hold your peace.
Wait, I object. This wedding here just won't do. It ain't legal because you ain't bona fide.
Oh, come on, Billy Bob. Don't be such a grizzly. Chris and Abbey love each other very much, and they're paying me lots of money. Isn't that what really matters?
Rolf, I'm sorry, guys, but Rolf's not even legally ordained. He can't marry you two.
Oh, I do suppose he's right. Oh, perhaps the two of you ought to go head on over to Las Vegas. I've got a dear old friend there he should be able to help you out this Halloween. Right, Earl?
Yeah, his name is Freddy, and he's the pastor of your dreams.
It's settled then. I may not be able to pronounce you husband and wife today, but I'm more than qualified to pronounce you ready to rock! Fellas, why don't you give these kids a show they'll never forget?
Yeah! Woo!
Welcome to prime time, bitch! Ha!